How's it going, guys? I just wanted to make a quick video for you about these vent clips that often go broken or missing on these cars. Um, the one question is this. Um, my car actually came with both of these, but the passenger side was missing this chrome bit. So a replacement clip is kind of hard to find, and the used ones go for a stupid amount of money, I think. There is a good aftermarket solution, and I think these are 3D printed, but they look pretty quality. I saw great feedback about them on the forums. Uh, and these are made here in the US by a small company called ventclips.com. They make them for a lot of different cars, and I decided to try it out for the Z4. So I have a separate video on removal of this, but it just kind of clips into the center console, and it's just held on by these top clips here. Basically you undo them, and there are these small hooks too on the bottom. It pretty much just slides out, and I think it's easier to actually replace these once it's off the car. So once it's off, we can pop out all these pieces like so. Doesn't really take any force. Slide it out, and it's out. So the way it clips in is with these hooks. Yeah, I don't know, it doesn't come out too well on the camera, but you'll see what I mean once we get this out. All right, and it's off. So here's a side-by-side comparison for you. This is the aftermarket, this is stock. Uh, it's a little different, but see, like it's already starting to come out here. So I'm just gonna put these little grills back in, these slats, and pop the new tabs in, hopefully. Now the instructions say to make sure that ah, to make sure that these little I don't know, whatever you call them, prongs, they're oriented at the bottom, and you want to make sure that they go around that vertical bar and that center opening. All right, snaps right in. All right, and there you go. That's really all there is to it. So again, we can get these at ventabs.com. I'm not affiliated with the guy, but these look good. I mean, I could see that they're 3D printed. It looks like from ABS. So they should last.